Hello, everybody. Happy New Year. But Botox is never old.
Never.
Whenever you need your lip again, and you need your Botox again, and you need to smooth out a forehead again, this will always be new. Botox or new tox or everything else. So we have our beautiful client. She's allowing us to film her. So as you can see, she's so I'm trying to do it very naturally so that she doesn't need a lot. Smile. Raise your eyebrows again. Okay. So we also are going to be doing, so she has a very gummy smile. So if you smile for me. So so when you have like a gummy smile, sometimes we tend to put a little Botox right under your nostrils. And what it does is that it relaxes this muscle, and when she's gonna smile next, it's not gonna be as gummy as this. And we did it last time and you liked it.
Loved it.
Yes, so we're gonna do the exact same thing. Also gonna give her a little lip, tiny lip flip. That really gives a very, very nice touch to the lip. So now it is time for the feeler. Less is more. Okay. It's your lip. I don't have to live with it. So see, so I want to put a tiny bit more up here, and then I want to put a tiny bit here, and then I want to develop this a little bit, tiny, very little bit.
Okay.
Close your mouth. Smile. Close your mouth. Yeah, and I'm gonna put a tiny bit here.
Okay.
One drop. You sleep on this side?
I sleep on my back.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay. Close your mouth. Smile. Close your mouth. I'm gonna give you a Cupid's bow.
Oh my god, it looks so good.
I'm so excited.
I have like one tiniest droplet left.
Okay.
I'm gonna put it here, which I have been looking at since. So this is like, you know, where it's her lip is downturning. There you go. Open your mouth, and now I'm gonna massage your chin.
Okay.
I'm gonna show it to you, and you're done.
Okay, seriously.
Oh,
So it's really the massaging that really makes like
totally different.
it's like yeah.
Yeah, I mean it's sculpting.
It's
right?
sculpting, yeah.
You have to
You
sculpt
have to
it,
sculpt
otherwise it's not gonna set that nice. I mean, but it is also injecting how much
Yeah.
you need to inject in a certain place, because I know your lip because I've done it before. You know that's.
Yeah.
But this is just comes with experience. So I'm gonna show you.
Look at those lips. They look good.
Oh my god, I love that. Oh my god, they're perfect. You're right, I did need the full thing.
Yes.
Yeah.
You know.
Always listen to the doctor. Love it.
All right.
Magic.
See you later.
Bye.